Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the search feature inside of the Toolmaster portal. At the very top, we see the magnifying glass. Click it with your mouse and a little window will pop up. You can search by keyword. You can search by users. You can search in feeds and etc. I'm going to type a keyword, drill, and then hit return or enter on my keyboard. And you'll see that in the feeds section, there was a mention of drill. In forums, somebody asked Izzy about drills. You'll see that in the manuals section, we have a couple of different manuals with the keyword drill in them, and same for articles and attachments. Let's go ahead and click on the Ask Izzy in the forum section, and you will see that it will open up to the right. And if you scroll through, you can see the post and the comments associated with that post. Let me go ahead and close this. I'll select it again, and you'll notice we have advanced search. So if I type in the word drill, I can say I only want to see the word drill in feeds and select that, and it will filter everything else out. Or I can say I want to search for the word drill, and I knew that Izzy mentioned that somewhere, but I can't remember where, and it will only show you the keyword drill based on Izzy. And again, you can do this for any member of the portal. You can search in, so maybe I want to search in Pro and see if the word drill was mentioned, and here it is several times. And I can also do it by date. Maybe I remember it sometime last week. Nope, it wasn't there. So maybe I'll do the last month, and there we go. I can also do a custom date range. So in summary, everything that gets created inside of Toolmasters, whether it's something in a group or a forum or a manual or an event, you can search on it at the very top. All of the content created by all of our Toolmaster members is saved inside of the portal that we can go back and search on at a later date. This concludes my overview on the search functionality inside of Toolmasters. Thank you for watching.